Hello all, welcome you all to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. Where was the first integrated check post along the India-Bhutan border inaugurated? A. Rangpo, Sikkim. B. Daranga, Assam. C. Asansol, West Bengal. D. Konsa, Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Question number 2. Operation Kavach is an initiative launched by which state/UT to combat the menace of drugs? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. New Delhi. C. Gujarat. D. Jammu and Kashmir. Correct answer is B. Question number 3. The Toto tribe primarily resides in which state? A. Odisha. B. West Bengal. C. Sikkim. D. Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Question number 4. The Supreme Court recently upheld the inclusion of which terms in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? A. Secular socialist. B. Republic justice. C. Liberty equality. D. Fraternity sovereign. Correct answer is A. Question number 5. Which state government has launched the Bus Sangwari app to improve public transportation and passenger services? A. Jharkhand. B. Odisha. C. Chhattisgarh. D. West Bengal. Correct answer is C. Question number 6. Which paramilitary force has the highest representation of women among the Central Armed Police Forces? A. Border Security Force. B. Indo-Tibetan Border Police. C. Central Industrial Security Force. D. Assam Rifles. Correct answer is C. Question number 7. Bharatiya Vayuyan Videyak 2024, which was recently passed by Parliament, replaced which Act? A. Indian Aviation Act 1952. B. Aircraft Act 1934. C. Civil Aviation Act 1947. D. Aviation Regulation Act 1965. Correct answer is B. Question number 8. Which state has stopped in installing rooftop solar energy as of December 2024? A. Maharashtra. B. Bihar. C. Gujarat. D. Odisha. Correct answer is C. Question number 9. Which state government recently dissolved three divisions named Banswara, Pali and Sikar? A. Gujarat. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Rajasthan. D. Bihar. Correct answer is C. Question number 10. Where was the first ever Himalayan High Altitude Atmospheric and Climatic Center launched? A. Udhampur, Jammu and Kashmir. B. Dehradun, Uttarakhand. C. Mussoorie, Himachal Pradesh. D. Gangtok, Sikkim. Correct answer is A. Question number 11. Which state government has initiated the Adarsh Sanskrit Village program to promote the ancient language of Sanskrit? A. Himachal Pradesh. B. Haryana. C. Odisha. D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is D. Question 12. Central Consumer Protection Authority functions under administrative control of which ministry? A. Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. B. Ministry of Law and Justice. C. Ministry of Finance. D. Ministry of Science and Technology. Correct answer is A. Question 13. Which is the nodal ministry for the National Medical Register, a centralized digital database? A. Ministry of Education. B. Ministry of Science and Technology. C. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. D. Ministry of Social Justice. Correct answer is C. Question number 14. Santhara is a religious ritual related to which community? A. Hinduism. B. Buddhism. C. Christianity. D. Jainism. Correct answer is D. Question 15. Which state government has launched Adi Shakti Abhiyan to empower grassroots women and children? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Gujarat. C. Karnataka. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is D. Question 16. Which state government has launched Sanchari Shauvari tanker delivery scheme? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Kerala. C. Maharashtra. D. Karnataka. Correct answer is D. Question 17. Which state government has launched the Mahila Samvad Rath campaign to promote women empowerment in this state? A. Bihar, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Karnataka, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is A. Question 18. The world's 17th Athlete Passport Management Unit was inaugurated in which city? A. New Delhi, B. Hyderabad, C. Chennai, D. Bengaluru. Correct answer is A. Question 19. Which state government has initiated the Adarsh Sanskrit Village program to promote the ancient language of Sanskrit? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Haryana, C. Odisha, D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is D. Question 20. Where was the Northeast India's first geothermal production well drilled? A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Assam, C. Mizoram, D. Tripura. Correct answer is A. Question 21. Bharat Seva Kendra is a nationwide initiative launched by which institution? A. Chamber of Commerce and Industry, C. Sorry, B. Niti Aayog, C. Reserve Bank of India, D. Ministry of Rural Development. Correct answer is A. Question 22. Buffer May Suffer The Buffer May Suffer initiative was launched by which state government? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Odisha, D. Bihar. Correct answer is A. Question 23. Which state government has launched the Vidya Shakti program to assist underperforming students in government schools and colleges? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Maharashtra, C. Odisha, D. Bihar. Correct answer is A. Question 24. Which city has launched India's first digital house address project? A. Jaipur, B. Indore, C. Noida, D. Lucknow. Correct answer is B. Question 25. Which state has become first in India to join Cruise Bharat mission? A. Punjab, B. Gujarat, C. Jharkhand, D. Haryana. Correct answer is B. Thank you and I hope you like the video.